In this video, I'll show you how to use the new Messenger Notes feature. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Alright, so Facebook has launched a new Notes feature. This integration of notes within the messaging app makes it easier to convey ideas, and jot down important information such as reminders or ideas without switching between different apps. All right, so you can easily share notes or important information with their contacts or groups directly within Messenger, making it quick and simple to distribute information. All right, so this new feature allows for collaborative note taking. You and your contacts can work on shared notes or documents in real time, which can be useful for group projects or planning. So I suggest you do it on your mobile app because it's not available on your computer. All right, so first off, log into your account. All right, and then here we go here at notes. All right, to create a note from your workplace homepage, click notes in the left panel. It's normally on the messenger. Okay, and then you may need to click see more to view it. Click plus create note and add a title and start writing your note. All right, and then when you're done with the note, click share. All right, you can share to selected groups or share in your timeline to share the note with everyone in your organization. You can even add text and click post to share your note. And then click manage audience to choose specific groups on the people you want to share the note with. And when you click save, your note can be viewed by the people and groups you selected. All right. Also, you can change and set permissions for who can see your note even after you've published it. You can also collaborate with co-workers on a note. All right, so to format your note, use the toolbar at the top of your note to format it. Click this symbol paragraph to select the text style. Format the text with bold, and then some information here down below. All right, thank you so much for watching.